on top of the big rock. Uy, merong ano to, parang hindi naman boat yan. Boat ba yan? Yung katulad niyan is Madison boat. Yun yung tumatakbo na yan. Yan. See? Ang laki ng Mendota. Inaikot na namin yung iskinita ng mga Mendota. Yan, naikot na namin. Mendota Avenue naman ito. Diba? Very nice place. Continuation of Mendota Park. Mendota.
Mom, careful, careful.
Yeah.
Look down, look down.
Yeah.
No, don't go down. Mom, don't go
Yeah, I
down.
know.
Mom, stop, go down.
So this is continuation of Mendota Lake. See? And there's a boating Madison boats right there.
Back it up, Mom.
Yeah.
Back it up.
Yung anak ko ginawa akong baby. Andun yung big.
Back it up. Don't go in.
Zoom. See? Mendota Lake. See, look. She just... Oh, it's too big. Hi. She just ran all the way here just to sit down on top of the rocks. Very impressive view. Mendota Lake Park. See?
We do really like the more university neighborhood that's like near you, so it's just south of where I live. But over there, I think people say that it's very environmental. But it's less expensive than the so we agree.
That is eatable fruits right there. That one.
Hopefully it will get better. Oh, it'll be great wherever you go.
That stairs.
I feel like whenever I move somewhere new, I hate it at first just because there's so much, like, things that aren't familiar.
Oh, see? Oh yeah, the guys swam in this area. Uy! Oh, need help. like that. See, relax. See, the Mendota Park is Mendota Lake Park. It's really huge, big. Okay, you're included in the film. Oh, that's two. No, that's two. That's too big. Okay, there. Hi. She did not wear lipstick. Sounds there. People up there. See. It's really breathtaking view. Good thing it's a nice weather, but a little chilly though. People fishing right there in the middle of the lake. You can swim right here. We saw the guy came here and swam and then run without outfit, just only shirt and a little chilly.
Let's take a picture.
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Okay, she's a kid.
Oh.
Oh, it's not.
Okay,
Come on,
wait,
keep
wait, wait,
going.
wait, 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 wait.
Okay, guys, this is Mendota Lake, one of the largest. Yeah, good job. Lake. Kung sa Pilipinas ito, hindi ito lake eh. Dagat ito eh. Dagat ito eh.
Oh!
Got it? Yeah, I got it. I filmed it.
Again, I want to do it again. That's so fun.
So, we're just like walking around the area, Mendota Lake.
Where's another rock?
See?
Oh, yeah. Rock.
See, that's why it says one of the third largest lake.
Oh.
Okay, I have to zoom. Oh, there's a
Do it? How'd you do that?
yeah.
Aren't really very large rocks out here, are
Okay,
there?
I'm gonna go that way. Yeah, you can, if you feel cold, all you have to do is just fire that thing over there. The firewood thing right there. Oh, cannot see. See something. Okay. For more than 12,000 years, people have gathered here to celebrate their relationship with the natural world. Let us continue to reflect and learn about the land and ourselves, the Ibling family. Okay, look at that, they're fishing. Oh, wow, the view is so amazing. Yeah, they're fishing, guys. The three boats right there, they are fishing. See? Oh, the Capitol is right there. Okay, I'm gonna take a photo. See? A lot of people walking. in this area. Mendota Lake. Mendota Park. Look at that. See Kimberly and Sam. Guys, this is Mendota River Lake. It's river. The ducks are having a parade. See? Guys, I'm just creating my own story, okay? Okay, let's go. So the boat over there. Wow, they are so cute. So I'm done with the Monona, Tiny Park, and this one is Mendota. See, it's a huge lake.
Where are they going?
No, they're having a parade. See, they're gonna go all the way there. See, look, the ducks and look. See, follow them. See, they have a meeting that okay, we have to have a parade. See, look at that. They are so cute. Look at that. They're gonna go straight over there.
I want to know.
Oh no, the other one duck is alone. Go to the different direction. They did not. The other duck is not fall. Oh, this one is the other direction.
Maybe trying to get food.
Okay, let's go.